Hey guys, welcome back to the channel Guide Hub. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to send an email for beginners. First, open the Gmail app on your phone. Now we are on the home page. Tap on Compose option at the bottom right corner to first write an email. Now on this page, you can see your email address at the top. Then type the email address of the person that you want to send email to. After that, tap on Subject option. Here, write a short subject to your email. Subject can be brief summary or the topic to your email. Then tap on the Compose email box below and write your message on this text box. Once you're finished composing your email, tap on the icon at the top right corner. And with that, you can see you have sent an email. Easy, right? I hope you found this video helpful, and don't forget to like this video, hit share and subscribe to the channel for more.